Good morning to all my dear students. Hope you all well. Today we are going to study the third chapter, the revision of tenses. All of you take your English grammar text for the class. Let us go to the class. Students, I hope that all of you ready for the class. And now you have to take the page number 91. In the previous class, we already studied the revisions of tenses. That is the first two pages of that lesson. That is 88 and 89. Now we are going to study the 91 page. Okay. Here, the first is past simple tense. Let us see what is past simple tense. It is used for an action completed in the past. That action already completed in the past. That is example, I met him yesterday. So yesterday is a past. So that action is already completed. We went to Simla last year. The last year also past. So here the we went to Simla is a that action completed already in the past. And present perfect tense, it denote the present perfect, it denote the present time, so it can't be used with the word or a phrase denoting the past time. So the present perfect tense is denoting the present time. And next is past continuous tense. A past progressive tense, or it's a past progressive tense, it used for an action which continued for sometimes in the past, which may be continued in the sometimes in the past. The exact limit of the time are not known, are not important. So the past continuous the tense is used to action which continued for the sometimes in the past, but it limits time are not known, are not important. Okay. Example, he was walking at the time. Then she was waiting for me when I went there. So next is past perfect, is used for an action completed before some particular moment in the past. Examples are, he had already left for some before boss called him. She had done nothing till I reached there. So these actions are already completed before some particular moment in the past. Okay. And remember that two actions taking place in the past. The action that took place first is put in the past perfect, while the later actions put in the past simple. So here is two action that already placed in the past, that is used in the first action is used in the past perfect, and later second action is past simple. Okay. And past perfect continuous. Before that, there is examples of the past perfect and past simple. I had done my homework when Anju came. That is the first, we assume that is the first action, that is used in the past perfect. The second action, that he had eaten our dinner before they arrived. So past perfect continuous. Next one is used for an activity that began before a particular time in the past, was still continuing at that time. So when I reached there at 2, they had been waiting for me since 1:30. At that time, he was very tired because he had been working for 6 hours. So these all activity that began before a particular time in the past, that is continued still in that time. Okay.